So we're very interested in, I guess, pushing the envelope, if you will,
Okay,
on our rebuild, meaning we would like to achieve as close to net zero energy as we can. Part of that is going to some of these newer panelized building systems, you know, like a local company, BamCore, that is creating these sort of hybrid wafer bamboo systems that can be super insulated, so you can have
Prefabricated panels?
they're a prefabricated panel, but they're actually in sort of a class all by themselves in that they're not a drop in place, it's a build in place with their technology. That pushes us outside of the standard construction. You know, it's not a stick-built home at that point.
Okay, all right.
So how does that shift the path through the PRMD at that point? I mean, am I still in the same fast track wave
first,
permitting?
let's find out if they're going to allow you to use that system or not. If they do allow you to use that system, it's not going to change the 3-day turnaround.
So if a design does come in that has significant structural engineering calcs, if that does not change the 3 to 5 day.
No. Basically, if we have a calculation that's a few hundred pages or so, basically we'll ship it out to our engineers and have them do it and basically get it back to us.
Okay. I understand you're going to allow electronic submittals.
Absolutely.
So
we don't have paper at all. Everything is done on the computer.
Great. Yeah.